Welcome to 3T.
Daisy the Dolphin learns to listen.
In the splashy sea, there was a dolphin named Daisy.
Zoom, zoom. Catch me if you can, Finny.
Oh no! Daisy, you spoiled my shell tunnel.
Daisy broke Finna's tunnel. Now she sees Krabby and Luna playing on Sponge.
Whoa, that looks fun. I too want to play.
Wait, Daisy. Luna and I are playing.
Later, Daisy swims by. She sees her friends sad.
Huh? Why is everyone so sad and not playing?
Daisy, you are a playful child. But you should listen to your friends too.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'll listen now. Can we all play together now?
Let's take the merry-go-round together.
Whee! Look at us go!
Moral: always listen before you interrupt.
Please like this video and click the button to subscribe.